Hello and welcome. This is Michele Christensen of OneNote Worthy Life, and in this video we're going to talk about the two versions of OneNote that Windows users have available right now in April of 2022. This video is mainly for Windows users because other users of OneNote don't have the same two version choices that Windows users have. So this question comes up in many different ways. I hear things like, my screen doesn't look like yours, I can't find the command you described, how do I get the section tabs on top, or how do I get the sections on the right? I am in fact filming right now in OneNote for Windows 10, so if your screen doesn't look like mine, it's probably because you're using a different device, or you're using the other version of OneNote that is available for Windows users. It comes up really frequently, this version issue, and it can be very confusing. There's also a somewhat complicated history of the two versions that I'm not going to get into today. I did do a version update in February of 2020 that covers a lot of history. So if you want to know more of that history, you can watch that video. That and everything I mentioned will be linked either in the description or in a pinned comment. So I was going to make a very comprehensive guide on this, but just recently Heather Severino was a guest on the Shift Show podcast, and they covered the version situation really thoroughly. So this will be a pretty condensed overview and mainly just show you that there are two versions in case you run into questions related to that. If you aren't familiar with Heather's work, she's an expert trainer in technology and a 5-time Microsoft MVP. She's also written multiple books on OneNote and other Microsoft 365 software and created LinkedIn learning courses on these topics as well. So links for Heather and, as I said, other resources used in this episode will be linked in the description or in a pinned comment. So let's get started. So we're going to be talking about three groups today. The first group is everyone, all OneNote users. So everybody has access to their OneNote account at OneNote.com. It may not look the way you want, it may not have all of the features you want, but you can access your account anywhere you have web access. The second group is going to be non-Windows users. So non-Windows users, so that's people using iOS, Mac, or Android users. So you've got one choice. It's either from your App Store or you can download it from Microsoft. And just note that mobile apps often don't have all of the features of the desktop version. So if you're on your phone or something, you might find some of the features missing. So let's talk about Windows users. So Windows users right now, in April of 2022, have two versions that they can use on their machine, and we will call those versions OneNote for Windows 10 and OneNote. OneNote was formerly called OneNote 2016, and this is the version that was being updated over time with each new Office release. But for completeness, I want to mention that there was a period where OneNote for Windows 10 was simply called OneNote, but that is not the case right now. One of the easiest ways to tell these two versions apart is from two things that you can see in their appearance. OneNote for Windows 10 has a bolder color scheme and more white space, whereas OneNote has a more pastel color scheme and less white space. The second visual difference is that OneNote has the sections in tabs across the top, and OneNote for Windows 10 has the sections listed on the left of the screen. So I'm going to show you these same two screen clips just in bigger versions so that it's more clear. So this is OneNote for Windows 10, and you can see that my sections are here on the left, and that this color scheme is like more bold and primary colored. This is OneNote, which was formerly called OneNote 2016, and you can see that the sections are in these tabs across the top, and the overall color scheme is a little bit more pastel or maybe even like chalky colored. Now there is another set of names that people use. I'm not going to use them here. I don't use them in general because I find them kind of confusing, but I just want to make sure that you are aware of these so that if you come across this in conversation, you know which is which. So OneNote for Windows 10, you can see here in blue, is sometimes called the app version, And OneNote, formerly called OneNote 2016, is also called the desktop version. Now these are valid names, and I'm going to show you a screen clip from Microsoft to show you like which is which. I don't use these names because it's not immediately clear to me which is which, and I only know because I have it memorized. I also see that these terms get mixed up in conversation a lot, like people are trying to sort something out in an online conversation and they're not using common terminology, so it can get very confusing. And I've even seen the phrase desktop app, so I'm not sure, that I think that probably refers to the desktop version, but it just, can be confusing. So this is a screen clip from Microsoft's website, and it will be linked with the resources for this video. And I'm scrolling down here. At the bottom of this, you can see where I've highlighted in yellow and underlined OneNote, in quotes, now refers to the desktop version, and it was previously called OneNote 2016. The next statement is, quote, OneNote for Windows 10, unquote, refers to the Microsoft Store app that's available only on Windows 10. So that's how we know which version is which. OneNote, formerly called OneNote 2016, is the desktop, and OneNote for Windows 10 is the app version. So again, I've written that in blue on this slide. And just as one final thing, I want to show you what both of these look like in the Windows menu. So I'm down here hovering on my lower left. I'm going to click that Windows menu. And because I use OneNote for Windows 10 a lot, it comes up here very close to the top. And if I start typing OneNote, you can see that the OneNote comes up as well. So right here, the first two menu items I have are OneNote and then OneNote for Windows 10. So that's what they look like in your Windows menu. So aside from the appearance, what are the differences in the two versions? So there are some differences in functionality. So some functions are in one version, but not the other. I couldn't find an easy way to summarize which features are only in one version, but suffice it to say there are some features that are different or absent in one of the versions. If you want more detailed information on the differences, you can check out Heather's podcast episode. And I've also linked sources from Microsoft and a YouTube video from Mike Tholfson, who is on the OneNote team at Microsoft. So which version should I use, or which version should a person use? At this point, you can use whatever you want. I have both installed, and I switch back and forth with all of my notebooks being stored in OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud service. My understanding is that we will have both versions for a while, but that the plans are to merge them and create one updated version. Just a disclaimer though, I don't have any insider access to OneNote information, so this is just what I've heard and read from sources that I believe to be reliable, including the Microsoft article linked below called What's Coming to OneNote. If you have questions or concerns about the versions and how the change is going to come about, I suggest that you read that article in full. What I believe it says is that OneNote will get updates so that it includes features that are currently only present in OneNote for Windows 10. There will also be a visual update so that it looks more contemporary and more similar to other Windows software. If you're using OneNote for Windows 10, you should get an invitation to switch over to OneNote sometime in the next year or so. However, you can continue to use OneNote for Windows 10 until 2025. If you don't have a preference between the two versions, it seems to make sense to start using OneNote now, because that's the version where the features from the other version are being added, and that's the one that'll be with us over the long run. So I hope this helps clear up any confusion or questions you may have had over versions. This is really one of the most frequent questions I see, and it's completely understandable. Check out the links in the description or pinned comment for more information, and if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let YouTube know, and consider subscribing for more OneNote tutorials and content on personal organization and life management. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye!